Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 0.4, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand the list, and in here you'll find a toggle for Do Not Disturb mode. For me it's right over here, so once you see it you can simply tap on it, and this will toggle it on with whatever the default settings of it are. You can also hold it, and this will then take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So here you have basically a bunch of options for exceptions, meaning that when the mode is enabled, you can choose what apps or who will be able to bypass this. So anyway, once you're done with your Do Not Disturb mode, you can tap on it once more, and this will then turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.